Hey everyone, this is Kisha over at TrustKisha Digital. And in today's tutorial, I'll show you how to switch up the look of your planner cover with just like a stylish, functional flat lay view. So I'll be walking you through this process in Penly, so that way you can see how quickly you can access the embedded links that are available to you on the cover for easier navigation. So let's just jump into it and get creative. Hope you enjoy the tutorial. So today I'm going to be using my Samsung tablet along with my Samsung Notes sticker books that, are a total game changer because it speeds up your planning process. So instead of like endless scrolling to find the right stickers, these sticker books help you because you're able to grab what you need fast and making the whole process a bit smoother. I personally create these stickers that you'll see here in the video, and I know a few others that create Samsung Note sticker books, like my girl Daisha over at PGL Planners, Planning a Godly Life. She makes some amazing sticker books, so you'll definitely want to check out her shop as well. Now, if you're not using a Samsung device, don't worry about it. My sticker books work great in split screen mode because the sizing is sized to perfection, so that way you maximize your planning space without taking too much room for when you're designing and planning. It's really easy to access the planning screen and the sticker book at the same time. For this tutorial, we're going to keep it really quick and simple and create this flat lay style cover for your planner. So the key to nailing this look is you have to use top view or aerial PNGs. Some people call them flat lay or bird eye view elements, so you have a cohesive look. I personally love using realistic elements, but you can find other items. I have some flat lay or realistic elements that you use from the Grain Memory sticker pack. They're so cute and perfect for today's planning session. A good flat lay is just all about perspective. So you got to make sure your elements match and they are from the same top-down view with, a little shadow detail. It also helps bring everything together. So now, since we're using Penly and they don't have a layering tool, you want to make sure that you are being strategic with your planning items. The trick for me is I usually start with the bigger items, and that way I just set them down and place them in an area. That way I can rearrange them during the video. But Penly just has a move backwards and forward arrangement tool. So you got to make sure that you keep in mind what order that you're bringing things in. There's also a way to cut and copy and paste things too, but sometimes that doesn't work all the way as seamless as just planning. A tip that I have for you guys when you're using Penly is make sure when you are trying to grab an item to rearrange them, just make sure you tap the item instead of trying to circle lasso, because in order to actually grab that item in Penly, you have to actually lasso the whole entire item is what I found. So by just tapping it, you're able to grab the item. So sometimes you might see me trying to lasso the item, but it's not grabbing a hold of that item. Is because for some reason you're not just able to just lasso a little piece of it. You have to actually lasso the whole entire bulk of that item. So tip, just tap the item and then you'll see it selected with the blue markers around it. Okay, so this is editing Kisha, and I'm noticing what you see here in the edge panel going on is me trying to look for the particular stickers that I have, but for some odd reason, the Samsung Notes has like not registered my sticker or a page in my sticker book, and I'm trying to figure out what's going on. So that's why I'm going back and forth, trying to figure out what was going on. The sticker book is functional, but for some reason, there was a glitch going on while loading the sticker book. So I had to just since I knew the items were there and I just used them, I had to just guess where the items were and just tap on them, and then you'll see them kind of appear and then render all of a sudden. So don't get scared if you see this happen in the future for yourself. If you see, there are items there, but you just don't see them being registered on Samsung Notes, just tap in the area where you think those items are and you see them up here. So tip for the future. So now, in order to be able to have this as a functional flat lay cover, you want to make sure that you are placing items in the areas that you want to access the links, the quick links. So here you'll see me toggling off the tools, and that way I'm able to access the hyperlinks in the planner because I have the settings set so that I won't accidentally hit any hyperlinks when I'm moving things around and tapping things. So I have those hyperlinks turned off while I'm editing. And then when the tools are toggled off, I can actually access those hyperlinks. So you'll see the highlights, the blue highlight rectangle bars are highlight colors that let you know where the hyperlinks are. So I just make sure I place items in those specific spots so that way I can access links and not have to guess where my hyperlinks are. So I hope that helps when you are placing items on your cover, because those items are quick links to access special places in your planner without having to go to the main menu. So have fun with the cover and make it functional so that way you can access it and get inspired when you look at it and go straight to planning. Don't forget to check down below in the description so that way you can grab your Grained Memory sticker book. And also, if you haven't grabbed your Eat Weekly planner, the link is down below. Don't forget to go and get it. What are you waiting for, right? Okay, so that's it. Now, I hope you enjoy the look of your functional flat lay cover, and I can't wait to see if you actually try this tutorial. Let me know if you do. If you do, tag me. I love to see your cover, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Let me know what you guys want to see so that way I could make a video just for you. Take care. Cheers.